clouds come through when the whiskey's running out. 'Cause I've been looking at you since 2:14. This liquid courage got me way too honest. Put your phone on vibrate, let's catch up.
In fact, I'm a bit of a bore. When I tell a joke, you probably have heard it before. Every moment I'll chase the it's time to spend
you happy. Kahit ano man ang iyong mapili. If it ain't us, then you know where I'll be. 24/7 for you, I'll be free. Di mo kailangan ipatunayan ang iyong sarili. Kanara ko diri mapunta. Oh, gabi. My mom always says like, how do you feel? Like, do you regret being with us? Like, ikaw ba? Do you wish to be with your biological parents? Ganon ba? Like, honestly, ako, hindi. Kasi, no. My parents think I'm ashamed of them. Pero hindi. Hindi talaga. Like, I'm super lucky na ako yung nakuha nila.
Si Kai bilang anak.
Ano siya, kuya? Mabait talaga na anak si Kai. Super bait po. Isakripisyo ko po yung buhay ko para po sa kanya.
What do queer samurais do to their enemies?
Sinasaksak? Slay.
Oh, that's a good one. They slash them. In your gets?
English kasi. Wait lang, pang aircon kasi.
Erin po is marunong din po siya mag-shoot. Try out si Kai, magaling po siya. So kontrolado niya po yung pulso dun sa ilalim.
Nice one, go Kai.
Si
Nice one. Nice one, guys. Nice one. Nice recovery. Okay.
Kai!
Nice recovery, Kai.
Mga bagay na pinaka-interesting sa akin, in my own opinion, is I'm very optimistic. I think I'm almost delusional kasi I'm so optimistic. I think everything happens for a reason and it will lead me to happiness.
Pamilya mo na kasalalay dito, kaya kailangan mo.
Thank you for everybody. Kasi honestly, we wouldn't have done this if we didn't exert effort. Each and every one of us did put some effort. Special thanks talaga Ate Jazz and Kuya Dylan. Kasi I had my confidence there, but it wasn't to the max. But because of Kuya Dylan and Ate Jazz, I was able to think like, oh, I should do it. They really upped my game, you know? You know what I mean? And of course, every one of you guys made it easier.
Lumamang yung mga violations ko kesa sa what I have done wrong. If I fail to see the importance of my wrongdoings, I will never grow as a person. If I continue to ignore my mistakes, I will never be the better person I want to be. The only way to make it fair is if I make a difference. So if I were to be courageous and take up that spot, then maybe I would feel less guilty.
If the effort kasi is not balanced with the other person's effort, it's not gonna be good. But everyone's effort was right there. That's great. Kasi everyone did their part.
Go. Para may purpose siya.
Pero sa akin, mas cute.
Ate May,
Grabe na, grabe.
Grabe, nagsimula dito.
I felt bad kasi sabi ko, oh my God, I knew it, this is no. Tapos sabi niya, M80. I was like,
Araray!
I see you happy kahit di ko like, for what reason? If she's nominated for
Lalapit. Avengers!
This is looking like I might just want